Hello and welcome to the MCQ lecture series. So today I have MCQs with respect to banking special 3 paper, which is for TY BCom. Yeah. So let us look at the first MCQ which we have here. Question 1 relates to which section regulates paid up capital, subscribed capital, etc. in the Banking Regulations Act of 1949. So the options we have is section 11, section 12, section 8 and none of the above. So here the correct answer is section 12 deals with paid up capital, subscribed capital and things like that. Yeah. Let us now move to the second question, which is which section deals with restrictions on brokerage, discount, etc. on sale of shares by banking companies. Yeah. So it is section 10 or section 12 or section 13 or none of the above. So here the answer is section 13. Section 13 puts restrictions on brokerage, discount, etc. with respect to the sale of share by banking companies. Yeah. So let us move to the third MCQ which we have here. The third MCQ is talking about banking companies are mandated under dash section to maintain cash reserves. So which section is talking about cash reserves? Whether it is section 18 or section 15 or section 12 or none of the above. So we saw that section 12 is dealing with respect to paid up capital and subscribed capital. Yeah. So now section 18 here is the correct answer. Section 18 deals with the maintenance of cash reserves by the banking companies. Yeah. So section 18 is the correct answer with respect to cash reserves. Now let us look at the fourth MCQ which we have here. At the fourth MCQ which we have here. So the fourth MCQ is talking about, reserve fund is defined by which section? Yeah. Reserve fund is defined by which section? So here we have section 15, section 18, section 10 and all of the above. These are the options which we have. So now we know that section 18 is with respect to cash reserve. So this cannot be the answer. Yeah. So here the correct answer is section 15. Section 15 is talking about reserve fund. Yeah. So let us move to the fifth MCQ which we have here. And the fifth MCQ is dash section deals with licensing of banking companies. Yeah, here we are talking about licensing of banking companies and not branches. So please be careful. Licensing of, we are not talking about branch licensing, we are talking about licensing of banking companies. So it's section 15, section 18, section 22 and none of the above. So we saw that section 15 is talking about the reserve fund requirement. Yeah, section 18 is talking about the cash reserves. So here section 22 is the correct answer. Section 22 deals with licensing of banking companies. Now let us look at the sixth MCQ which we have here. Yeah, the sixth MCQ which we have, dash section requires, yeah, it says dash section requires maintenance of liquid assets by banking companies. Yeah, here it is talking about liquid assets. Liquid assets are dealing with section 23, section 22, yeah, 24, 22, 23 and none of the above. So the correct answer here is section which relates to liquid assets or the maintenance of liquid assets by banking companies is section 24. That is the correct answer. Yeah. So now let us move to the seventh MCQ which we have here for you today. And it is talking about which banks are not required. Here I am saying using the word not required to hold a license from the Reserve Bank of India. Yeah. So whether they are private banks or small banks or small finance banks as you call, public sector banks or foreign banks. So obviously here it is the public sector bank. The rest of them have to apply for a license from the Reserve Bank of India to operate in India. Yeah. Let us move to the eighth MCQ which we have here. Section 23. Here they have given what the section is, but we have to guess what the section talks about. Section 23 Banking Regulations Act 1949 deals with dash. So the options here are, it deals with State Bank of India, it deals with banking companies, it talks about branch licensing and the next option is all of the above. So here section 23 of Banking Regulations Act 1949 is talking about branch licensing. Yeah, here 23 is talking about branch licensing. Here if you see 22 is talking about licensing of a banking company. So there's a difference between the two. Yeah, licensing of a banking company is given by 22, branch licensing is given by 23. Now let us look at the ninth MCQ, which is the last MCQ which we have. Who is empowered under section 36AA to remove any managerial or others from the bank? yeah, or banking company. Who has been entrusted with the power to remove people from the managerial positions or other positions from the bank? Whether it is the government of India, whether it is the Reserve Bank of India, whether it is the State Bank of India, or none of the above. So here the correct answer is Reserve Bank of India has the power to remove any managerial or others from the bank. Yeah, so these were some of the MCQs which I thought would help you. I'll be making more videos with respect to the same, so please stay tuned. Thank you so much.